Mheshimiwa Rais, umekuja Kisii kwa mara nyingine tena. Sisi tunakuambia karibu. Umekuwa ukitusaidia kimaendeleo. Umekuwa ukija hapa kwa zaidi ya miaka 5. Ulikuwa unauliza kura, umeendelea, umekuja, umekuwa rais. Sisi tumekurecognize, wewe ndio rais wetu. Sasa Mheshimiwa Rais, let me tell you what I wanted to say on the phone. I told a friend of mine, if William Ruto doesn't fix Kenya, who can? If you have been in this government the longest. You are with President Moi, you are with President Kibaki, you've been with President Uhuru, now you are yourself. Surely. The issues you hear, many of us, na wale wengine, Your Excellency, wanasikianga when I'm on TV and I comment about you and Honorable Gachagua. They think I'm being unfair to you, I'm attacking you. My job is to oversight the government at the national level. So even when I will tell you, Your Excellency, the mistakes, I will also tell you, thank you for the good work that you're doing. Number 2, when you came to Nyanzurago, nilikwambia I was not happy. Tuliona shida, usoro, wanachapana na Simba na Onyonka, na Monda, Your Excellency, these young men have agreed to work together and I'm very proud. And I know you have been calling them privately and I know how hard you worked. Kwa sababu wote ni kichwa ngumu. So I want to announce here today, and I also, Your Excellency, want to say this. Your Lordship Bishop, thank you, sir. I know how much effort you made to make sure that these young leaders can come together, reason together, stay peaceful, make sure we build our community. I want to tell my brothers who are here, especially Vishnu Soro and the young leaders, this is the first time that our community made a generational change. Please don't disappoint our people. Work together, learn to forgive each other, laugh at each other when you make silly mistakes, and all of you, this is the president we have now. We will work with you, sir. We will work with you. I have no personal disagreements with you, but I will also tell you when things are going wrong. Because my job as the Senate is to oversight you and oversight my governor, Arati. Governor Arati, thank you for calling me. Thank you for agreeing for us to talk with each other. I wish you the best. I will support you as I'm in the Senate. And everybody from our community has been wanting Kisii community to work as a team. Na ndo mwana wa Arati bila mwanezo kuilani Monda esemesa. Ono chole Ndemo, orangeli na Donya, toa kumupile miake.